Hi, good morning everybody. This is Garcha again from GFP Foreign Market Brokers. So let us see today's target. And yesterday approximately all the targets got hit. And with the very good levels, means with the very good pips we have gained in that. And let us start today. First signal is AUD JPY, and this is for the sell side. The target is 74.58 and 74.22. The next level is Australian dollar New Zealand, and this is also for the sell side. The first level is 1.0585 and downside another 30 points. It is 1.0556. The next level is AUD USD, and in this target is also for the sell side. 0.6949 is the first target, and second target is 0.6914. Then we have another level. It is CAD JPY, Canadian dollar and Japanese yen. This target is also for the sell side. The first level is 79.24 and the second target is 78.98. And after this, Swiss franc Japanese yen. The first level is, this is also for the sell side. The first level is 114.09 and the second level is 113.78. And after this we have all the signals for the buy side. So first level is New Zealand Canadian dollar buy. The first target is 0.882 and the second target is 0.8915, just little bit ahead of means after just level changing, like from 88 to 89, just little bit ahead. I will tell you after the levels why we take these kind of levels, why we are not going ahead in that. And after this, the target you can take is New Zealand Swiss franc, and this is also for the buy side. The first level is 0.6180 and the second target is 0.6209. After this, USD CAD, USD Canadian dollar, it is also for the buy side as I told. The first target is 1.3549 and the second level is 1.3587. And the last signal for today is USD CHF. So it is also for the buy side as I told you. The first target is 0.9397 and second is 0.9422. Now as I told you, sometime when there is a gap, let's say I was telling you on the New Zealand Canadian dollar, the first target as I told 0.8882 means 0.8882. So from 82 the market can hit the resistance level, means the new level, let's say 0.8999 like this. So after this, when 0.8915 it is reaching, so it will not go so much. It may, in the daily target there may be a possibility it will hit 0.89 and then come back, but normally it happens they move the market another 7 to 8 pips or 10 pips, 15 pips. This is always seen in the market. So always be on the safer side. Maybe market will go 0.8924 or 8950 also. But there are chances from here the market reverse. This is mostly seen in this. And all the targets which I give you, these are major pairs also, and these are cross pairs also. Though yesterday I have uploaded the complete list of the targets, around 29 pair of the currencies, but out of that I am just telling you the topics. Secondly, when you are picking the target, these are the cross pairs like minors and FX majors also. So first of all, you always try to take from out of the top picks the forex majors, because normally what happen, the difference, spread difference, it is lesser in the major pairs. So let's say if I'm talking about USD CAD, rather than New Zealand CAD, USD CAD I prefer to take first, because the spread difference will be less, and the loss which carries with the spread will be lesser. So I hope you got the targets for the day. Thank you so much, and signing off. Bye bye.